Hello guys, so I know you're expecting me to look a little bit normal, but I don't, so I'm sorry about that. But anyway, please work. Oh my god, this is so bad. I hate it. I do hope my face looks better when I'm back from the shower.
Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Patricia here, back with another video. Welcome. If you're new to this channel, my name is Patricia. Welcome. Definitely make sure you subscribe and you hit that bell button so you get notified every time I upload a video. And also don't forget to follow me on my socials. Instagram, I'm always active there, and TikTok and Snapchat. Today's video, I look like this, and I know my voice is a bit funny right now, is due to being in the morning, and I have allergies, and in the morning is like the worst time, and my nose just itches a lot, so I'll be itching my nose for a little bit. I think I have to change my pill time and take my pills at night, so when I wake up I'm like a little bit better and my face is not so swollen, like my eyes and everything. But I don't know how I'm going to do this, but in a few hours I usually get better, so yeah. Anyway, for today's video I will be using the Garnier Ultimate Blends, which is their new shampoo and conditioner, and obviously also got their hair food, so which is a mask. Anyway, oh, where I got it from, yeah, let me tell you guys. Basically, my friend Melissa sent me a message saying they were, because she knew I wanted to use this, because when it came out new she sent it to me and I was like, yes, I have that on my list right now to literally go buy it. I saw it in Boots, so she was like, yeah, you should definitely do the video, but anyway, so then she saw it on sale on Amazon for like £2 the shampoo, so I got the shampoo straight away. The conditioner and the mask was still like a normal price. I think it was like £6, £7 or something. But then I went to Boots and they had two for £8, so obviously I just got a conditioner and the mask, and I just waited for this one to arrive. But then obviously now they're all here, we're gonna use it. But anyway guys, without further ado, let's just go and wash my hair. So I'll bring you guys along with me. My hair is obviously super dry because I went to a protest. I did a video, I think before I upload this video, that video will be up. So I went to a protest, my video was like my hair was like super wet, and obviously all the product came out and stuff. So then I kind of refreshed it with Pantene collection, but it's still, after 2 days of that, it's now completely dry. I haven't applied any product ever since, and it's been I think 2 or 3 days now. So yeah, my hair is in this state. It needs a wash and I just can't wait. So I'm gonna do that, wash it with you guys, and then just tell you guys my feedback on wet hair. I'm not gonna allow my hair to dry and restyle or anything, because I'm gonna do a different hairstyle after that. But I've just been talking for so long now. Let's just go into this video. guys, so I look a little bit normal now because the medication is starting to sink in. But anyway, I back from the shower. After about 5 minutes, I rinsed out the conditioner, not the mask, and this is literally how my hair looks right now. And yeah, I obviously rinsed out everything, so my hair is like super dry right now. But because I'm going to blow dry it, I'm just gonna leave it as it is. So this is it. And okay, my reviews on everything. I love the hair mask, absolutely love the hair mask. The shampoo was really nice. If you saw in the video, I only use the shampoo once, and the reason why, I usually shampoo twice, but the reason why I only shampooed once was because my hair wasn't actually dirty. It just needed to be, you know, I just needed to have fresh new hair because that rain and stuff, and my hair was super dry. I needed to actually style it, but then again today I'm doing a different hairstyle, so I needed my hair to be washed. So but yeah, the shampoo was really nice. I didn't feel like it left my hair dry, but obviously shampoo does do that. But because this one, I don't know what it is, but it didn't make my hair feel dry. I don't know if it's because of the natural ingredients it has, or I don't know, but it just didn't feel dry at all. As for the conditioner, I'm not very happy about it, and I love conditioner, guys. I absolutely love conditioners all the time, but this one I felt like I would apply to my hair and it was just sitting there. So until I actually combed my hair, that's when it kind of went in, if that makes sense. So at the time when I first applied it, I just felt like it was like literally a hold on my hair. It wasn't actually going through it. I don't know if because my hair was very tangled or what, but usually when I use conditioners, it just works straight away. But I mean, to detangle and everything, once it was all synced in, it was very easy and normal, as you can see for the video. But when I first applied, it didn't give me that moisture straight away. I hope I'm making sense, but I just I don't know. It's not it's not a conditioner that would be like, yes, I'm definitely taking that home. So but it's definitely thick. It's very thick, it's very nice, smells amazing, but it just didn't give me that, because it's so thick. It should have given me that straight away, that I could have literally tangled with my fingers. I couldn't, not with this conditioner. However, with the mask, I know I can, because I've used it as a conditioner before. So I loved it. I love the mask. It's just so nice, and it just makes my hair like glow and stuff. But I mean, the review is not really on the mask. It's kind of on the 3 products combined together. But the shampoo, I really liked it, so I would get these 2 again. There's always one that I wouldn't get, right? I always have, like, everything I use, I always have 2 favorite products, and then one of them is just like but yeah, the conditioner I think needs doing, and needs to make it better. I don't know, but with my hair, at least with the conditioner, it wasn't perfect, and I love conditioners, so you know, kind of disappointed on that. But the shampoo was nice. It didn't make my hair dry, and I only used it once, didn't use it twice, but I usually do use it twice. But yeah, it was nice. I like the shampoo, and I love the mask. The mask is just great. Like, it's just so good. Like, it actually gives your hair some food, and my hair was so dry, and now my shirt is away. But my hair was so dry, and I really needed a mask, so that's why I left it a little longer. It just says that you can just leave it for 3 minutes, but I left it for about 5 minutes just because I'm also going to blow dry my hair right now. So I just needed an extra moisture protection, whatever. But yeah, so that is it, and now I'm super wet, and I'm gonna end this video looking like this, but whatever. Anyway guys, that is the end of my video. If you like this video, definitely make sure you give me a thumbs up, you know. Definitely make sure you like this video. Definitely make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button so you get notified every time I upload a video. And don't forget to follow me on my socials. Instagram, I'm always active there. And excuse my face looking like this the whole video, but there was just no point on doing makeup or anything like that, because I'm not really going to style my hair after this, and I know my hair will be good after this because I've used the mask before anyway. So yeah, and yeah, I can't really style my hair. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Definitely make sure you follow me on Instagram. Like I said, I'm always active there. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok and Snapchat. And yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.